Hello and welcome to another How to OU at USU. Today we will be looking at snippets in OU campus and how to use them and kind of what they do. So just a reminder real quick, snippets are predefined code that we use regularly so that we can have defined, that doesn't make any sense. I wrote this. Oh well, let's just get rid of that. Alright, so snippets are a thing that make things easier for us. Enough said. Log into OU campus. Get to the page you want to edit. We're going to overview all of them, so I'll just leave that header in there. You can see I've already created it. I go to this puzzle piece looking icon. It says insert snippet. I get a list of all of the snippets. Quite a few. Kind of overwhelming, right? Scary. Anyway, who cares? We're going to dive right in and we'll do some stuff. One column. What does this do? I don't know. One column. Look at that. It creates a full width column for me. That's super useful. So if I didn't know how to create layouts by going to the web team's website on Central IT, so it.usu.edu/web. That's it.usu.edu/web. And get, like a layout like we've done in like a previous video, these column layout examples, we could just copy the source code. Apparently I don't need to do that. I can just use a snippet. Look at that. I have a full width column. Save that real quick, publish it. Let's see what happens. I come back to the page and look at that. I have a full width column. Nice. Cool. Let's check out the next one. We'll go to the next snippet. 2 columns. I bet I can guess what this does. Oh, crap. Okay. That's not what it does. So it creates 2 columns. I guess that makes sense. Oops. I thought it was just going to put like 2 of them, 2 full width. No, that actually I didn't think that. I'm just being stupid. Sorry. 2 columns. Sweet. All right. Let's move on. 3 columns. Oh, wait. 2 columns. Light blue. Ooh, fancy. Look at that. Says it's light blue. It doesn't look light blue. What if we save and publish? Save, publish. Let's go to the thing. We should see the 2 columns. Look at that. The light blue lies. That is something you should report to Central IT's web team at it.usu.edu/web, because I think that should have a background color of blue. I am not them. I don't have control over that. I wish I did. That would help a lot. But let's move on. So 2 columns, light blue, does nothing. It does the same thing as this 2 columns. It just makes 2 columns. The light blue one includes some images. That's useful. Maybe I want images. I don't know. 3 columns. There should be 3. Look at that. Cool. Let's go on. 3 columns. What is this? Border 50, 25, 25. Okay, so I'm guessing the one on the far left is going to be bigger than the other 2, and they're going to be 2 smaller ones. Oh, look at that. That is exactly what it is. And then, this is all just filler stuff. You can edit this as needed. Oh, shoot. I made it all into an H3 header. I just select the whole thing, come up here, and be like, there should be a paragraph, whatever I need to do. I can add components into this. I can add other, snippets, that sort of stuff. Whatever I need. Depends on your use case. Have fun. Look at that, though. Easy to start making stuff. 3 columns gray. I wonder if this one will actually have the gray color. Doesn't look like it actually has the gray color. We're being lied to. Oh, well. 4 columns. Cool. 4 columns. That works. 4 columns gray. I bet it doesn't work. It doesn't. Sweet. I bet I won that. Someone owes me money or something. Accordion. Okay, what the crap? Accordion. We know that that's a component. We can make... That's a table. That's what it... Oh, but I save it and I scroll down and look, it changed that table into an accordion. It transformed it. Those are called table transformations. In the back end, when you log in and you're editing, it's going to look like a regular table. That makes it easier for us to do things. So, let's see. Table transformations make it easier for us to do things. And then let's get rid of that. And we'll go ahead and change us to like, proper spelling. And we'll be like, we'll delete that. And then, oh, that didn't delete the other one. Whatever, we'll delete it that way. Then I need to get rid of these table rows because otherwise I'm going to have like this empty accordion box. We're going to call this header 1 because that way I changed it. Change your header. And we'll save that. Should have an empty, yeah, okay. So that's weird. I should get rid of that, right? Yeah, I should. We'll go up to edit and we'll scroll back down. And if I highlight both of them, right click, row, because it looks like a table row. And then I go ahead and delete rows. Look at that, they're gone. Cool, let's save it. Hey, only the header 1 table transformations make it easier for us to do things. Cool, so if for some reason we can't use components or something, we could use a snippet to also make an accordion on a web page. That's super useful, especially like maybe if you wanted to put like a component inside of the accordion. This is a way you could do that because you can't nest a component inside of a component. It's not possible. It would be cool if it was, but it's not. So this you could do though, right? All right. What else do we got? Alert, danger, red. What does this do? Ooh, it makes this cool red box. Lets me know that things are, dangerous. Nice. What else? Gray alert. That is the worst gray I have ever seen. Complain to your local web team, man. joking. But yeah. Okay, cool. Info, this blue box. Okay, that's a useful. Source code. Yeah, I could learn how to do that and I could play with that, but why? If I don't have to, I'll just scroll down to the bottom. Actually, I love source code personally, but I'm a web developer. So this video is for non-web developers. So, yeah, snippets. Let's see. We did the info, right? That was the blue one. Primary blue. What is it? How is it different? Primary is not actually blue. It's a liar. So that's interesting. Success. Green. Ooh, fancy. Snippet. What else we got here? Yellow. Warning. Ooh. And then we go on. What else we got? Image. Caption. Bootstrap 4. Just an image with like text under it. With something. Don't worry about that stuff. Cool. What else we got? Tab content. Okay, that's another table. What's going on here? This is another table transformation, and it's for tabs. So tabs are that thing where there's like multiple tabs here. Let's just save and look at it. Why am I trying to explain it? Cool, tabs. These are tabs. We've seen these on web pages and stuff. They're like little links to different boxes that have things in them. That's another table transformation. That table gets transformed from a simple table that's easy for us to edit in the editor, the WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get, WYSIWYG. Makes it super easy for us to edit. And then it can do something really cool. And I think I published the page, right? So we'll come back over here. We can see our accordion from before, all our cool things, and we can see the tabs have pulled through. Nice. What other snippets do we have? I don't even know. I don't usually use these too much. Because if you know source code well enough, you can just do this the long way using currently Bootstrap 3, but we're going to be moving to Bootstrap 4 pretty soon. But that requires a lot of work. So look at that table, dark. Ooh, we can make another table that doesn't seem to have the appropriate colors on it because it said dark, but I don't know. Can I even get under the table? I don't know. Maybe I'll just go above the table. Let's add another snippet. What else we got? Table light. I wonder if any of these will have the right colors. Looks like they don't. Interesting. Very interesting. All right. Striped. Oh, striped. It has something. Look, they're striped. It's very subtle. Okay, cool. What else we got? Striped dark. Ooh, it's the same shade. Moving on. A table striped light with a T hat dark. What does that do? That does nothing. Maybe if I save it, maybe they'll all change and do something cool. They don't look like they do anything cool. They have weird, scary red lines, which I disapprove of, but I don't control the fancy, scary red lines. So normally they're like an accessibility thing. I do think you should fix them because accessibility is awesome and important. But I don't even know how to fix it because they didn't really specify. But if I need a table fast and, I don't have the expertise of knowing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I'm not a front-end developer or something, then this is one way you could do it as long as you're using OU Campus. And this is pretty specific to USU. But otherwise, just learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, become front-end web developer, get good at that, then become a full-stack JavaScript developer or something. That's what I've been trying to do, and it's been fun. So, yeah, that is Snippets in OU Campus at USU, a way of helping us set stuff up quickly. And again, remember to save, and then also remember to publish to actually get it to show up on the web page. So I feel so lied to by these tables and by this. But still. Oh, and by these, one of these is supposed to be blue, right? I don't know. But still, even without the background colors, very useful. Glad we have them. Use them. I hope they're helpful. Hope you learned something. I hope this was good. Or at least entertaining in some way, shape, or form. So, thanks, and bye.